Yes, children, now we are going to start a new chapter called it as fractions. Okay, in this fractions, I would like to explain you about equivalent fractions. What fractions, ma? Equivalent fraction. Open the page number 34, children. Okay. Here he has given equivalent fractions of fractions that may look different. But are equal to each other. Two equivalent fractions may have different numerator and different denominator. A fraction is said to be equivalent to itself in the case the numerator and denominator would be the same. Like a by b is equals to c by d. So I'll give you the example. So take out the page number 35. So what the shaded portions of a paper does not change. So the fraction of the paper does not change. The fractions 1 by 4 is there, right? 2 by 8 and 4 by 16. They represent the same. Can you say how much? 1 ones are 4, 2 ones are 2 fours are, 4 ones are 4 fours are. So all are equal. Yes or no? So you can see the figure rise here. 1, 2, 3. So this is 1 by 4. Okay? The shaded part 1 by 4. Next one you can go with 2 by 8. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you should shade 2 by 8. What's the next one we are having, children? So next one we are having is 4 by 16. So you can click 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see the book 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 by 16. So how we can shade here? 4. So this is nothing but 4 by 16. So for this you can make it as a equivalent fractions. Okay, students, understood all of you? So this is all about the equivalent fractions. Next is converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction. How we need to convert it, children? Yes. So how we have to do is into and plus. 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2. Yes or no? 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1? 5 by 2. Same again. 3 2s are plus 1. 7 by 2, or you can write 6 plus 1 by 2. 2 3s are or 3 2s, or you can also write 2 3s are 2 into 3. If you have any doubt. Okay, children? Next. 2 into 4. 8 plus 1 by 2. So in this way, you have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Understood, children? 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9 by 2. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. 2 is 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. Understood, guys, all of you? Next topic is conversion of an improper fraction to the mixed fraction. How we need to do, children? We need to divide. 5, 6, 7. So how we have to write? 1, 3 by 4. Okay? So 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 1, how much? 7. 7 by 4. In this way, you need to convert the improper fraction to the mixed fraction. Here he has given us the mixed fraction of 7 by 4 is 1, 3 by 4. Already we have written. Mixed fraction can be expressed as improper fraction, and improper fraction can be converted into the mixed fraction. Yes, now children, we have been explaining you two concepts that it can be going to the any two ways. Next, we can express mixed fraction as a improper fraction as improper fraction is equals to, here he has given something improper fraction is equals to whole number into denominator plus numerator by denominator. Yeah, it is given in the textbook. You can basically look at it. Improper fraction is equals to whole number into denominator plus numerator by denominator. So the next bit we are having is activity 1. Write the equivalent fractions for each of the following fractions. So how much? 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 4 ones are, 4 threes are, 6 fours are 24, 1 by 4. 7 ones are, 7 fives are. Okay, 3 ones are, 3 fours are, 15, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. 9 table, 9 twos are 18, 9 fives are 45, 9 twos are 18, 9 fives are 45. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32. Yes or no, children? Okay, understood? Next we are having is activity 1, second part. 2 twos are 4. So how much we will get here? 2. 3 twos are 6, 2. 6 twos are 12, 2. 2 fours are 8, 4. 3 twos are 6. How much we get? 3 fours are 12, 1 fours are. Here how much we get? 1. Yes or no? 1 twos are 2, 3 twos are 6. All of you understood, guys? All of you. So the next concept we are having is reducing the fractions to its lowest terms. Reducing the fractions to its lowest terms. Yes guys, so we are having, we can take the example of 1 by 2 and 2 by 4. So, what will be having for 1 by 2, 1 by 2? If I want to change 2 by 4 to the lowest form, what I will get, children? So, both are same. What are same, children? Both are same. So what we call is one we call it as a numerator and 2 we call it as a denominator. Yeah, you can take the page number 37. There he has given the definition of a fraction. A fraction is in lowest terms when the numerator and the denominator have no common factor other than 1. Yes, children? Understood all of you? So now I am going to explain you the 3 methods like how we need to go with. Like first method we are having is as common factors. What we are having, children? Common factors. So the first common factors we are having is 30 by 36. For 30 we are having the common factors are in one table it will go, 2 table it will go, 3, 5, 6 are 30, 6, 5 are 30, 10, 3 are 30, 15 2s are 30, 30 1s are 30. Yes guys? Next, 1 table, 2 table it will go, 3 table, 4 table, 6 6 are 36, 9 4s are 36, 12 are 12, 12 4 12 6 are 36, 18 2s are 36, 36 1s are 36. So what are the common factors we are having, children? 1, 2, 3. So now I would like to divide with the, so how much I'll get? 2 15s are, next 2 1s are, 2 8s are. Now what I would like to take the common factors for 15 guys, okay ma? Yes. Common factors for 15 by 18, 15. So it will go in one table. Will it go in 2 table? No. 3 table? Yes. 4 table? No. 5 table? Yes. 15 table. So 1, 3, 5 and you can see in 1, 3, 5 and next 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 18, 6 to the 12, 6, 3 is 18. 9 table, 9 was the 9, 9 to the 18. So what's the common factor over here guys? 3. So what's the common factor? 15 and 18 have one common factor which is called as 3. So I would like to divide with again 3. 15 by 18 divided by 5 by 9. How much we are getting, children? So you can see the textbook we are having till here 5 by 9. Yes or no children? 5 by 9? Sorry, 3 6 are 18, right? 6 not 9. 5 by 6. So at 5 by 6 again we need to go with the factors. So what are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. So I'll explain you what are the factors of 5 and 6. Okay? Yes. 5 by 6 factors. 1 and 5, that's it. Do not go in any of the table. Next, factors of 6. So what? It will go in 2 table also. It will go in 3 table also. So what is the common factor for 5 and 6 is, so 5 and 6 have common factors other than 1. This method will reduce a fraction to its lowest term, but it takes several steps, guys. Yes. Until to reach that point, what would happen if instead of dividing the numerator and denominator to the lowest term, then we started with the greatest common factor. Why are we using this? It is taking a long process. For that process, we are going with the next concept, greatest common factor. So the next important concept is method 2, greatest common factor. So what are the factors for 30, guys? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 6, 5, 10, 3, 15, 2, and 30. Next, 36. One table it will go 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. So what are the common factors? 2, 3, 2, 3, 6, 6. So what is the highest common factor here, ma? 6. So now I would like to divide with 36. So what is the answer? 6 5 6 6. So the answer is, so what we can say is, divide the numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. This time it takes only one step. Yes children, we are doing only with the one step to get the result. To reduce the fraction to its lowest term, divide the numerator and denominator with the greatest common factor. Next concept is method 3, prime factors. So we have to find out prime factors of 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Yes? Next. Prime factors of 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. Yes, 2 into 3 into 3. Not 5, 3 into 3. Shall we count? 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. You can in 2 if you are having any doubt. So you can multiply here. So what we are getting, children? 5 by 6 is the answer. Reduce is an activity too, guys. Reduce the lowest terms by dividing the numerator and denominator by the common factor. So what is the common factor for this? 6. No? What is the common factor for this both? 2 table it will go. 2 3s are 6, 2 9, 3 it will go, I think so. Yes? 3 2s are 3 6 are 18. 3 9s are 18. Or you can go with the 1. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18. 6 1s are 6 3. Yes! Next, 12. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. Should go with the only highest factor, children. The smaller factors means you will go in all the small one, but we need to take only the greatest factor. Yes, 18. 9 2s are 9 3s are 27. 10 1s are 10 4s are 16. Which table? 8 2s are? It will go in any of the table, guys. Pick 16 by 20 first. 4 4s are? We'll see. 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4 2s are. Same way, 4 1s are 4 5s are 4 by 15. 5 5s are 5 3s are 5 4s are 7 2s are 7 7s are 7 2s are 7 3s are. Okay, so I hope you understood all the things. Yeah, keep like this. The next is comparing and ordering of fractions. Okay, so now we have to check whether which is a bigger number. And how we need to do? We need to divide, right? 8 ones are 8, 8 is 16, 8 threes are 24. 6. 8 eights are 64. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 fives are, so what we got here, 0.375. So next we are having is 5 divided by 12. 12 fives are, 12 fours are, 12 ones are 12, 12 are 24, 12 are 26, 12 fours are 48. 12 ones 12, 12 twos are 14. 12 fives are 60. So how much you got, guys? We got it as 0.425. So which is greater? 5 by 12 is greater than 3 by 8. Yes, not children. 5 by 12 is nothing but 0.425, which is a greater one. So here we are having the concept called as same denominator method, where here we this called as a numerator, and this we call as, what we call it as, children? We call it as a denominator. So here we have the same denominators. Yes. So if you have the same denominators, it is easier for us to check whether it is a greater than or less than. Yes. So if it is the same denominator, what did I kept it as? Less than. Okay. I'll give you one more example. Is it a less than or greater than? Definitely less than, because we have the same denominator method. We call it as the same denominator method, right? Same denominator method. Denominator method. Same. Okay. So I'll give you an example of 3 by 2 and 4 by 3. Are they same? No. For this, like how to make the denominators equal, we'll go in the next concept. The next concept we have is which is greater. What we have to do, we need to go with the LCM concept to make our denominators equal. Yes, 8 and 12. 2 fours are 8, 2 6 are 12. 2 twos are 4, 3s are. How much we got? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 8, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 threes are 24. So now I should make into 3 by 3. Why can you say? 8 threes are 24, 12 twos are 24. If I am multiplying with the denominator, I need to multiply the same number to the numerator also. Keep that in your mind. 3 threes are 9. So which is greater? 10 by 24 is greater, which means 5 by 12 is greater than 3 by 8. Again here we are having the next concept, making denominators same. Again we need to go with the LCM. 2, 3, or you can take 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15. How much, ma? 3 twos are 6, 6 fives are 30. So how? So 5 into 25 by 30 or 26 by 30. So what is the question is asking, children? Which is larger? Which is larger here? See me, 26 by 13, that is 13 by 15 is. Understood? So the next one and the activity 3. Compare the following fractions, put greater than, less than or is equal to. Okay children, so we have to go with LCM. 9 ones are 8, 72. So 9 8s are 8 nines are. So how much? 8 fours are 32, 9 eights are 72, 5 nines are 45, 72. So which is what we have to keep it here, children? We have to keep it less than symbol. What we have to keep it, children? Less than, because okay. Next, 7 elevens are 77 into 66 by 77, 2 by. So which is a greater and which is less than here, children? Can you say me which is less than here? So this is greater. Yeah. So both are equal. You should not make, yes, 3 by 7, 5 by 7. The denominators are equal. Do you want me to change into the again LCM and all? No. Why? Because already the denominators are equal. There is no need to make our denominators equal. So which is the answer? Less than. Okay, children, understood 3 concepts? First one is less than, greater than, less than. Compare the following fractions. Put greater than, less than, or is equal to. Okay, hope you understood, all of you. 3 by 7 is less than 5 by 7. So if the denominators are not same, or if you want to make the denominators same, you need to go with the LCM. The next one is arrange in ascending order. So we need to go with the LCM. Okay, guys? Yes. 2 3s are 6, 2 9, 3, 2 6s are 12. Okay? 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 3 2s are. So what is the LCM? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Okay? So I should make into 4 into 4. Because 6 4s are 24. No, 6 6s are 36. So I should into it 6. 9 4s are 3 12s are 2 how much? 2 18s are. Yes or no, children? 2 18s are 36. No, I should multiply. 5 6s are 30 by 36. 4 7 4 28 by 36. 24 by 36. I should into that. Yes, children? 18 into 11. 1 8s are 1 1s are 1 8s are 1 1s are 198 by. So he asked descending order. No, ascending order. What we have to do? We have to go small to big. So which is the smallest? 28 by 36. Which means 24 by 36 means what, ma? 2 by 3. Next. 24 means which one is 24? Can you say me 24? First. 28 means second, 7 by 9. Next. 30 by 36. 30 by 36 means what? 5 by 6. Less than 11 by 2. In this way, you have to do. Next again. 5 10. 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 5 3s are 2. 30. Again. 5 6s are. 15 2s are. Okay, children. 15 2s are, 2 15s are. So 4 6s are 24 by 30. 21 by 30. 16 by 30, 15 by 30. So which is less? 24 by 30 means which one? Which is the smallest one here? 16. 8 by 15. Next. Sorry, 24 by 30 means which one, ma'am? Which is small? Next smallest is not 8. 15 by 30 is there, no? 15 means 1 by 2. Less than 8 by 15. Less than 7 by 10. Less than 4 by 10.